go neat up work when I carry. Change computer burn up the rep eye. The main thing of it, neat up a ugly loom here. Not that bad still, no. See worse, but nice and neat him up. That's the main thing. Change fuse box, two of them. One of them have to scrap out because one of them are power winner, one another power winner, so change up the circuit night. Well, the next problem we have here. Chuck it too high. So we have a vacuum leak somewhere now. Check light night, the other branded up check light tonight. But I wanna still have a vacuum leak for certain thing. Some of the time some simple things there, you know. That's it. That's it. Yeah man, I always want to bung off and so I go on. Can see me take up more side home, put it one side or so I'm going to neat up here and take the whole thing out there and also then connection on some of them crystals. You can see some of them are gone, but just nice and neat them up. What I crystallize. Wire them on the left, change them out. I think nice and neat.